What's up, YouTube? Welcome to a brand new edition of Triple Chips Unbox the Box. Where today we're going to be unboxing the tongue twister, the Nostalgic Bacon Express. I don't know how long this takes to do bacon. Okay, it says cook 6 strips of bacon and doesn't give a time on it here. But we're going to try this out today. We'll show you what y'all get in here. This currently goes for on Amazon for $59.99 plus, I think it's close to $17 shipping, but you might be able to find it cheaper elsewhere. I think they carry these at Walmart, I think. I'll show you what you get in here. Inside the box, you get your instructions here. See how long it takes to cook bacon. Okay, it looks like you have to switch the panels around to the inside to get it going. Here we go, helpful tints. 1 to 3 minutes of cooking, so we'll just get this set up first here. I best take the sticker off. I want that cooking onto it, so. And they claim that you're supposed to have perfect bacon, so 6 strips of bacon. Close the door, set cooking time, enjoy perfectly cooked bacon. So we'll see. All I gotta do is just pull those apart like that. And it's saying the trays you have to I guess they're set up already. Looks like you would just simply put your bacon around that. So if you want to, or these, I wonder if those got to come off. Let's say to take those off. This rubber might melt. We'll just take those off and set them to the side because I don't want those to melt. So yeah, so your bacon will just go over top of this. Close that up. Set your timer on the side here. Goes up to 12 minutes for some reason, where it says it only takes 1 to 3. So if you enjoyed this edition of Triple Chips Unbox the Box, make sure to tune into my other channel. It's Triple Chips Down the Hatch 2, where we'll show you this working. Till next time, have a great day. Vlog is over.
Thank you.